I'm Yogi Chetan Mahesh, today sharing with you how to keep the belly flat. There's very amazing postures in yoga through which you can keep your belly flat if you regularly practice them. One of the asana is Dhanurasana, which is very easy to perform. So lie down on your stomach and bend your legs and hold from the ankles, and then try to lift. When you're lifting, try to make the balance on the belly button. Gently come back and straighten your legs. Then straighten your arms. Second asana is plank pose. Place your hands below your shoulders and straighten your legs and tighten your body. Then hold the posture around 1 minute here. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly exhaling, go down and come back. Third posture is locust posture. In this you lie down on the belly and then pull your toes back and pull your hands forwards and lift your legs up and belly up. Look front, inhale, exhale. Hold around 1 minute. Breathe in and breathe out. And so gently come back. Fourth asana is Paschimottanasana. In this, straighten your legs in front of you. Toes towards you. And hold the toes. Inhale, lengthen, exhale and go down as much as you can. And try to hold the posture as much as you can, around 1 minute or 2 minutes. Inhaling up, exhaling, cross your legs and relax. These 4 asanas which I just performed and explained to you, practice them regularly every day, around 10-20 minutes as you have time for 1 month, and you will find a lot of change in your flattening of the belly. Thank you. Namaste. And stay tuned for next video.